Mamod was a beloved British manufacturer of these typical live steam models, known for making the wonder of steam power accessible to hobbyists and children for over 87 years. It may seem unbelievable, but I'm led to believe that terrorism was one of the contributing factors which led to the demise of the Mamod company. We can talk about that a little bit later on. Specifically, this car, I believe, is called an SA1 Roadster. It was probably made in the early 70s, and it was designed to run on methylated spirits. And basically, there's no point in taking it to pieces. It's perfectly good enough. It just needs a bit of a clean up, and then we're going to see if we can get it running. As I say, it's probably around 50 years old and it hasn't been run for many years. Right this moment, I cannot actually do complicated restorations because I'm nursing a broken ankle. So this is the reason why I'm making a fun short video, something that I can do on a bench, sat down. This part that I've just taken off, this screw-in part, is a level indicator. So it shows you how far to fill up the boiler with water. And the part I'm just screwing back in now is a safety valve. All steam engines have to have a safety valve. So I'm filling it up with water now to the point where it just runs out. You can just see it running out of the boiler there. So we tighten that back up again. Put the safety valve back in. Now what I've got here, we can see next, is what's called steam cylinder oil. Luckily I had it for some other project that I was working on. And it's special oil for use on steam engines. It doesn't get washed away by the steam. So I'm putting some in the cylinder and on the sliding face. What I'm using here is alcohol. It's supposed to use methylated spirits, but I didn't actually have any, so I'm using alcohol. I assume it's going to give a similar result, but I'm not entirely sure about that. Now we've got some steam developing. But it doesn't seem to be enough pressure at the very moment. So I think we need to be a little bit more patient there. It's just starting to kick over. You can see the back wheel rotating a little bit. Not quite. Almost. We're almost getting there. We must be up at pressure now. This is a very simple. It's got a flywheel. You can see the flywheel running around there. It's a single acting piston, so that means that it only has power steam from one end of the piston. I can hear you asking how could of terrorism contributed to the demise of this company? Well, they were, as I mentioned before, these models were initially designed to run on methylated spirits. This was then deemed a little bit dangerous from burning incidents, etc. So it was changed to solid fuel. And during many years, solid fuel was used. And then it was banned due to counter-terrorism legislation. This, amongst a few other factors, caused the demise of Mamod in the year 2024. Very sad, but not untypical. Most young people prefer PlayStations, I think. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video and many thanks for watching.